Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Wil Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. I'm here with Marissa today. Marissa isn't here because you fell. The door was wet when she was walking in or outside?
Walking out.
Walking out. So she slipped, as she calls it, a banana peel slip, which is actually a really good description. And she fell onto her butt, and now she's just feeling like her back is a little locked. Not too much pain, not too much tightness, just wants to get adjusted. She comes in here just to get moving better because she does a lot of yoga. So we're here today to work on that. So we're going to go on your stomach, face down. And we'll start by just loosening everything up. How was work today?
It was great.
Good. Are you doing yoga tonight?
Not tonight. Tomorrow.
Are you going to go on Mother's Day? Are they open?
Yeah.
They are? Are you going to go?
Probably.
You going to go with Mom?
Maybe. That would be a good idea.
Right?
Yeah.
I wonder if the Rhoda will be there. She has kids. Are they local though?
They're both in college, so I don't think so.
So just loosening up her hamstrings. They're a little tight. We'll get them moving a little bit better. Loosening up the muscles in addition to doing the adjustments helps people get better quicker. That's why I like to do both. How's the pressure? You doing all right?
Great.
Awesome. Maybe I'll go to Yoga Universe on Sunday with my mom. Why not?
Yeah, you should.
What times do they have on Sunday?
9 a.m. and an evening one at 5 or 6.
That's it? Just 2 classes?
Yeah, Sunday isn't a popular day.
It's not popular, huh? It's like everyone's rest day, I guess?
Yeah, the weekend.
You don't have a bruise anywhere, do you, from the fall?
No.
Okay. When was this, yesterday?
The fall?
Yeah.
No, over the weekend, but it...
Over the weekend. Sunday, I guess?
Yeah.
We got so much rain that day.
Yeah, I went to let the dogs out, and I fell.
How many dogs do you have?
2.
Did they come and help you when you fell? Did they care about you?
My mom and sister just laughed.
Oh. What about your dogs? Do they come to your assistance, or they just...
No, they were happy to be outside.
Oh, jeez. Oh, man. At least you can laugh about it now, right?
Yeah. In the moment, it hurt.
Yeah. You dealing with allergies at all?
Not really.
You are lucky.
Yeah.
A lot of people come in here for allergies. Okay, we're going to do some adjusting here. All you have to do is breathe in and out. In again. Good. And one more here, in and out. Good. On your back, face up. And bend this knee. And we're going to cross here, rotate here. And breathe in and out. Go flat on your back and bend your right knee. And rotate here. Breathe in and out again. And flat on your back. Neck's doing okay?
Yeah.
So have you done yoga at all since Sunday?
Every day.
Every day?
That's why I'm taking the day off.
Wow, yeah, you definitely deserve it. I'm going to check motion first. Yeah, relax this. Good. Excellent. Okay, let's come on up, see if you feel a little straighter. Feel like you're ready for yoga?
I feel great.
So it's a little bit of a more unique video because usually people have some sort of issue when they come in here, like a pain level that they can measure out of a 10 scale. You know how I usually ask you that. So it's a little bit different, but that's how we do an adjustment just for someone who did a little fall. So thanks for doing a video with me. I really appreciate that.
Thank you.
Thanks everyone for watching. I'm Dr. Wil Holdsworth, your Sussex County chiropractor from Pain Relief Chiropractic.